guys, welcome back to Easy Nails. Today I'm going to show you how I do an acrylic and dip powder hybrid set on my natural nails. So I prep them, and you can guys check those out in my previous videos, how I prep my nails. And I am using this cool cover pink color by Nailed by Lucy, as well as Nailed by Lucy monomer. It has been my new favorite monomer lately, so I highly recommend. And I am just doing an overlay on my natural nails with this cool cover pink. This is just going to be a base color, and then I'm going to go in with the Ohuhu dip powder kit, which I reviewed in a previous video, and I'm going to be doing a glitter French tip design. So I'm going in with really small beads of this cool cover pink. Again, this is by Nailed by Lucy, as well as the monomer Nailed by Lucy, and I highly recommend. And it is a HEMA-free monomer. If you guys have allergies or are highly allergic, I recommend this monomer because it is HEMA-free. It is a medium setting monomer. I found it really easy to work with. It didn't run or anything like that. So here I'm showing you guys how to do a really simple acrylic overlay on your natural nails. You want to make sure that you keep the beads really small. You are just covering up your natural nails and giving them strength. That is an overlay, and these are my natural nails here. Please ignore that little cut on my pinky. But yeah, so these are my natural nails, and I'm just giving them a quick overlay here, and then we are going to go in with dip powder once I finish overlaying this acrylic. How are you guys? I hope everybody is well. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have done acrylic and dip hybrid sets before. I can get they're super easy to do, and they cut on a lot of time. Yeah, you guys can totally use products together, dip and acrylic products together. That's totally okay to do. So I'm just finishing these up here. I'm applying another bead in the back 1/3 area of my nail to create an apex. This just gives your nail strength. That's the stress point of your nail, the back 1/3. You don't want it to be too high because these are short nails, so you don't need that much strength. But it is always a good idea to build a little bit of an apex at any length of nails to make sure your nails are strong, they don't break, and they have good structure. So I'm gonna get back to you guys when I am at the dip portion of the video. Alright guys, so I am going in with the Ohuhu dip powder kit, and I'm using their liquids, and their liquids are a bit thick and stringy. It's a strange consistency that I'm not used to, but it is workable, especially if you are just doing a tip. Here I am using this French tip tray that I got from Double-Dip-Nails. I do have a code for them, and I highly recommend their dip liquids. Double-Dip-Nails store, it is Easy Nails 15. Will get you 15% off your order. All my codes, as always, you guys, are below, as well as my other social media outlets. So what I'm doing here is I'm applying a thin layer of dip powder, and then I'm going into this dip tray here, and I have this beautiful pink glitter here, and I am basically just shimmying my nail into that tray. And I'm showing you guys you can do it two ways. So you can use a tray, or you can anchor your nail and directly dip in the pot. I do find that it is easier to use the trays. You can also get these, you can get these trays almost anywhere. I got this one again from Double Dip, and I just think it is easier to get that French line with the trays. I think it helps a lot. So I'm going to be doing this on the nails. I'm alternating between this beautiful pink glitter color, absolutely love it, and then this gunmetal blue gray color, which is beautiful, and it went gorgeous with the pink. I really enjoyed these little French nails. I also ended up going in with a layer of dip powder after, and I added these holographic mylar pieces that I got from AliExpress right on top of the French. So I am just doing this to all the nails, same method. I am dipping my finger into that French tray, and I am alternating between the gunmetal I'm dipping directly into the pot, and then the French I'm using the tray. Here you guys are going to see me applying those holographic shards right into a layer of wet dip powder, and then when I'm finished with this, I will apply one more layer of dip powder and encapsulate everything with a clear dip powder. Clear dip powder I'm using is not by Ohuhu, it is by S&mnailcandi. She has 2-in-1, and these ones are also 2-in-1, so you can use these powders as acrylic and dip if you guys choose to. Yeah, so after doing this design, I am going in and encapsulating everything with clear. Alright you guys, so after filing and buffing the nails, I cleansed them, and now I'm going in with Valentino No Wipe Top Coat. I'm coating all these nails, and then I'm going to use iGel Beauty's Jewelry Gel, which I got in a giveaway from Sabra. I will be doing that video really soon, show you guys what I got. So I'm using that jewelry gel to adhere these beautiful gems that you guys see there in the background. I'm so sorry I did not get that on camera, but I use that to adhere those charms. I got those charms from Amazon or AliExpress. I do have it in a recent haul video that I did, and I'm going to cure that in the lamp, and then you guys are going to see the final result of these glitter French acrylic and dip ombre nails. I absolutely love these. Hope you guys did too. Thank you so much. Subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one.